Want to learn how to set up the Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 for optimum performance? Let me show you how. To begin, take out all the parts and components from the box. While you can do a basic setup at this point, Sony designed an app called BRAVIA Connect, which will help you get the best performance out of your purchase. And that is how we're going to set up today. First, you need to have the BRAVIA Connect app installed on your phone or tablet. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for the BRAVIA Connect app, and install it. If you already have the app installed, click Update if that option is present. If there are any issues with the BRAVIA Connect app, you can always uninstall and reinstall the application to ensure you have the latest version. If this is your first time using BRAVIA Connect, you'll be brought to the End User License and Privacy Policy. Once you've reviewed it and agree, click to continue. This is also where you sign in. Signing in lets you register devices to your account. At this point, you can use the app to guide you through physically setting up the components. But I find it easier to do all the hardware setup first, then use the app to verify everything is working and installed properly. I'll walk you through the hardware setup, and you can just follow the on-screen app prompts to finish up the installation. If your TV is a model that has a low and a high position for the stand, raise the TV to its high position first, as per your TV's instructions. Some Sony BRAVIA TVs may have wide and narrow, as well as low and high position capability for the feet. The feet on the bar are designed to straddle the TV feet in their narrow-high configuration. If you have a Sony TV with feet that can be installed in the narrow position, begin by installing the feet on the bar. If the feet on your TV are not in a narrow position, you can skip this step. Next, place the bar on your stand in front of the TV. The bar should not be blocking the bottom of the TV or screen, as this may interfere with the functionality of your TV remote. If the TV is wall-mounted, you can either mount the bar on the wall using the keyhole mounts on the back of the bar, or by using a suitable Soundbar wall mount attachment for your TV wall mount. For Sony BRAVIA TVs, we offer the Ultra Slim TV wall mount bracket and the WB1 Soundbar bracket, both sold separately, which allow both pieces to move together and stay close to the wall for a clean, intentional look. Once you have your bar positioned, connect the included AC power cable and plug it in. Then run the HDMI cable from the HDMI port on the bar to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. The HDMI ARC port number may vary by brand and model of TV, but it's always clearly marked and may also be labeled as eARC. If your TV does not have an HDMI ARC port, you can use an optical connection, but be aware that cable is not included, as HDMI is preferred due to better signal bandwidth and control of the system with your main TV remote. Please note, if you connect your bar with an optical cable, you will not get the full performance potential, since optical doesn't support newer generation audio formats like Dolby Atmos. Okay, now let's place the subwoofer. The subwoofer is wireless and can be placed anywhere in the same room as your TV that works best for your layout. Once the sub is placed, connect the included AC power cable to the sub and plug it in. The sub should automatically find and connect to the bar wirelessly. But if for some reason it doesn't, don't worry, this will be handled in the next steps. Now that you have your hardware ready and powered on, open the BRAVIA Connect app. The app will begin to search for your Theater Bar 6 once you allow it to find nearby devices. Move closer to the bar if necessary. When it finds your Sony devices, select BRAVIA Theater Bar 6. It will quickly download the data it needs for this device. After a short wait, the device will indicate that it's now connected, which includes registering your device to your account. Once complete, select Next, agree or disagree with the data use policy, and continue. At this point, you can just click through each of the setup screens and let the app test that the front bar and the sub are connected and testing okay. It will also ask you for the distance of the subwoofer from the main seating area. Be sure to complete these steps, as it will ensure you get the best home theater experience. Once those final steps are complete, you're all set. Now you can enjoy your new Sony Theater Bar 6. Thanks for watching.